Hi, my name's Eddie, and I'm going to show you how to fix your relayed Helium Miner via port forwarding. So let's say if you got something like this, where it says hotspot is being relayed. So I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. So to start off, um, if your miner is using a router or Ethernet cable connection to get your signals, or it can even be Wi-Fi problems, and it shows relayed, pretty much you just look on the back of your modem or your router, and it will have details on the back similar to this, like it would say advanced device configuration or device configuration, and then it will show an IP address of your router or modem. So you will search that IP address on the internet, and it'll pop up the settings of your modem or router. Then additionally, to log into your router or modem, you need to add your device access code, which is aka your password or passcode, in order to bypass any security measures. All right, so then I'm going to go to my actual modem and router. I'm going to type in my IP address to my modem and router. And I have AT&T, so we're going to start by showing you the status. This is the device details of my router and modem. Then we're going to go to device list. So every router and modem isn't going to look the same. Tabs should be pretty similar. So if you have something under your modem that has device list, you can search Bobcat. Or if it doesn't pop up any Bobcat, look on the back of your Helium Miner you may own. Search the IP address using Command F or Control F, depending on what operating system you use. So I have a Mac. I use Command F, and if you're using Windows or Microsoft operating system, you will use Control F. So if Bobcat Miner doesn't show up under device list, you can easily just search it by IP address. So I search mine under Bobcat Miner. That's it. So then it has status. So pretty much what that means is that it's an active status on the modem or router that I use that gives out Wi-Fi signals from or live in. So we know that it's on right now and it's connected to our Wi-Fi. So then next we will go to home network. And then we'll go to status. And then under status, like I said, different modems and routers show different interfaces, but it should look pretty similar. So if you look at Ethernet cable, it says enabled. So this is pretty much saying how many devices are active using an Ethernet cable on your modem or router. So currently have 2 devices that's using Ethernet cable, and I have a total of 5 devices outside of Ethernet that's using Wi-Fi signals. We will go to IP allocation. And then once you go to IP allocation, these are all of the devices that's connected to your modem or router that was previously connected to your modem or router. Some might not be near using or currently using the Wi-Fi signals, but it saves this data, just in case it wants to log back on the Wi-Fi. If you had visitors that was previously connected to the Wi-Fi, their IP address to the devices will be here as well. So then let's say Bobcat Miner is on the IP allocation list, which it should be because it's connected through Ethernet and I've been using it every day, using my Wi-Fi. So you see how it does not show Bobcat. I will simply just search my IP address, and then I find my IP address under IPv4 address name, and then where it says status, make sure it says on for IP allocation, and then for allocation, you notice that everything else has DHCP allocation. We actually want to change this to fixed allocated, and that's simply by just clicking this button, Bobcat Miner IP address is, and that's what I did. You click save, and then it will fix it directly to a standard IP address. So the reason why you do this is that you want to fix IP address so the static of the connection can stay stable. Now we're going to go to firewall, and then we're going to go to NAT gaming. Then from here, like I said, modem and routers may not show the same platforms, but it should be some similar, close to gaming or NAT. So pretty much what we're doing here, we're adding our unrecognized device to our modem and router, So we do this. It's pretty much saying that, hey, we want to host my miner on my Wi-Fi device or modem or router. So then you go to custom services. You'll type Bobcat Miner. It's just giving it a name so you can identify it faster. And then for the global port range, you'll do 44158, 44158. And then for the base host, you'll also do 44158. And for the protocol, it'll be TCP over UDP. You can do, singular like I did at the top, or you can just do both. Personally, I just did it separately, just in case I come across any other relay problems in the future, which I have not ever since I've connected to these settings. Then you just simply click add, and then it'll save up here at the top. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then additionally, once you save all of this on your router and modem, you will need to reset your router and modem. Just unplug it or reset it somehow, however your router and modem works to reset it, so everything can connect freshly. Also, I would recommend resetting the Helium Miner as well, so everything can sync properly. And to fast sync your Helium Miner, on the back of your Helium Miner, copy and paste the IP address into the internet. It will go to the Helium Miner settings, and they have something called Alpha Fast Sync or Fast Sync. You click on Fast Sync, and it will quickly sync your miner within a few hours instead of waiting a 24-hour range to get everything updated properly. And to double check if your miner is out of relay status, considering that not everything is live on the Helium Explorer application, you go to the IP address of your miner first. Then it will have a selection called Miner 5S. Then once you go to Miner 5S, it will show all the details of your miner in the block height, maybe the IP address, certain devices that's connected to it, error codes, and so forth. So then the fastest way to find if it's relayed or not after a few hours, because usually it takes about 24 hours for your miner to get out of relay status. But if you use fast sync, it usually takes maybe a few hours, less than 10 hours to update everything on it properly out of relay status. So you go to miner 5S or just miner, and it will go show the details. You can Command F or Control F to fast search, and what you would want to do is search NAT underscore type, which is TYPE, and then what it will show, the NAT underscore type should show none. If it shows none, then your miner is out of relay status, and you should be on your way to making mining Helium. If you want to know how these details look, I'll just put it in the description on what to search for. And thank you for your time. Hope you liked the video.